Karela United. March the 8th of 2026 of the visiting team, which is Karela United, to Malin squad against Kumasi Asante Kotoko at Yara Sports Stadium 425. And return encounter Asante Kotoko Esan Beshe on 1 goal and they Oman Chumi Anti into last 2 matches on Kotoko Afa Nimi Nuninas. Fantastic midfielder, former Kumasi base Kemfaiza change Biana Ebetumi Atoneso Henonti and also in Cransesem near Maswell Hansen Bono Echimia Ponabe Mama the game no Asheso Joseph Fablo is waiting for his goalkeeper Abdul Fattah Mohammed. Hotel Bona Batum Atumi Fatal. Why is Swinasim Bonako 18 Bossum goalkeeper Mohammed Peter Amidou Peter Amidou, Bueno Kita Bono, but Bona Quetri, Wama pass, set Kocho, Warrior, Sauka Dauda. Joe for you. What a goal! What a goal! Kumasi Asante Kotoko are in the lead. Kumasi Asante Kotoko set Kojo attending 368 Juma. But that's what you bonus to Lord Amwa into the 18 boss. Asante Kotoko. They are looking for their second goal. Nenso Debbie Perchri, Ponaba Betru, Atom, Philip, Nenso Debbie. Referee at the penalty. Referee at the penalty. Kamara, Atom. It's a goal. Karela United. Enya Lord Amwa is swinged into the 18 boss. Nesurebi Sauka Dauda Betumia control within held. Sauka, a beautiful idea by the board. Lord Hilary, beautiful display. Warrior Lord Amwa, Wachester Bonatuo, Lord Amwa, Wetumi Ako, Lord Amwa, overlapping here, Juma, Peter Medu. A goal! Look at that! Look at the slow-mo. Another brilliant goal from Hibert Jau for you. He won a game for Asante Kotoko in Nigeria against Karela United. His only goal took Asante Kotoko to the top, and now he scored a brilliant goal. It seems like we have ended proceeding. Nanso Jumedian Inye, senior goal no Etieno. A cow say as a game no Aberie. Nanso, we are still in process. 23 minutes inside the first half. Asante Kotoko 2, Karela United. Bonada Swakita, Philip Adam, Nenso Debbie, Bonnier, welcome, corner kick. Bonachi, Sampa Nenso Debbie, Bonachi Mianco, Marfin Donso, Arbona Kokoma, Hibert Jau, the 2-0, Hibert Jau to Marfin Donso, Sauka. Oh! What a chance! Nansurebi, Bonababe drew Hibert Jau when you Sauka Dauda Set Kojo, Peter Amidou. Nasura be born and say, Peter Amidou, where go. Asante Kotoko say, yeah, yeah, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Asante Kotoko, yeah. Commencez Asante Kotoko Asha 3. Karela United Atimumbako goes from Hibert Jau. When you 2 goals in the Asante Kotoko. And now set Joseph Ablo into Minsia Kanibi. Nenso referee Marshall Hampson. Wahesto for Benabe Maji Fauliama. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2 minutes, 1 minute is gone already. Referee sir, 2 minutes, Ashoya Kura Chanti Rooney. Ubechumi as a second department is on. Asante Kotoko 3. Asante Kotoko. Patrick Ensu Nensurebi. 9 set Kojo here, Patrick Mesepe. Oh, Nenso Dabi. My oh man, this is the team. Commencez Asante Fantablos, 2 yellow cards. Sir Okonsidi announcer Yabukino for this particular matter. Obe Mixi against Accra Hatterford. Asante Kotoko 2 strikers. Albert Amor and Kwame Poku. Last season by this time. No meaning you be bako. Don't show. See from the supporters of Asante Kotoko and the management staff, supporters senior, and all the ladies. Yes, our ladies. Ubehunse Enije Abefia. Come and see Asante Kotoko 4. Say Fatau Mohammed. Neso, another Mohammed is there to save his side, which is Mohamed Kamara, goalkeeper of Asante Kotoko. 26th campaign, we are in the first game. A goal. Karela United, and 1 cancellation. And until 4 goals to Trick Mesepe Asiedu, Wanya Peter Amidou Metankwa Nasorebi, Bonnet Chimian Rana Tinimo, Asa bounce back trying to take Patrick. Oh, corner kick for Asante Kotoko. Is it going to be the last corner kick? And 88 Rebona cross center circle. We'll lose you to Patrick Mesepe Asiedu. Referee 2 goals from Hibert Jau and Brantia Nitin Adi Set Kojo Enya the 3rd goal. Peter Amidou Mitankwa Enso Enya the 4th goal. Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Saranso Ena Brantia Nitin Adi Bless Ege Enya a goal. Edema Karela United ma omutime team mienonti Asante Kotoko 4 Karela United 2 Matchday 8.